You know, I wanted to get a brand new one so we could keep this test kind of scientific. That way we're not factoring in the wear and tear these ones already have. The other camera facing the target so I could see what my accuracy is like. Losing a little bit of power there. Full power on that one. Interesting. Whoa. Very interesting. Whoa. All right. So that was a stress burn down. So we just went through 6 magazines and it passed the test of 6 magazines. We're about to do the water test. I have the fake pepper rounds, which is the inert training rounds. And then I have the real pepper rounds. This is the real deal stuff law enforcement uses. Nice and wet. The water doesn't seem to have done anything. The gun's still functioning normally. All right, take this magazine out, and now we're gonna try the inert training rounds. You know, we're gonna submerge it again. I wanna see, does water keep the pepper formula from working properly? We'll see. So you can see that pepper's going everywhere, and it's the inert version, but it's still working even though it's wet. So, and these magazines are getting water on them too. This is the real deal here, so let's see if this works or not. More water. And here we go. Realistic torture test. Not going overboard, just putting it in sand. I'm not gonna lie, if you're not a subscriber, you need to subscribe. I'm probably gonna mess up my magazines for this little experiment, okay? So if you haven't subscribed already, you definitely need to hit that subscribe button and the like button and the comment, everything, because I'm probably gonna mess these magazines up. Ah, man. I don't know, bro. Dirt and crime don't seem to slow it down. Getting a little bit of pressure on the mag release is a little harder to hit, but other than that, we're not having any real issues. Okay. A little bit of tension, a little bit of pressure, but all the functions are still working right. They're just not popping out, falling out on their own like they normally do, but we're still rolling. Oh, lost some rounds there. There's sand and grit on this mag. Not a lot, but I mean, it's a realistic test. I'm putting some random inert and pepper ones in here. This is kind of like a random batch. I've shot over 100 rounds of this thing today. Sand, dirt, grit, everything. The verdict is in. These things are based. That's the verdict. That's the verdict. The verdict is these things are based, and you need to get one of these. And anybody laughing at these? Okay. We shot well over 100 rounds through this thing today. It shoots underwater. Underwater PepperBall gun. No reason not to subscribe. Too many people watch my stuff and don't subscribe, okay? This is a channel that puts the viewers first, okay? You don't see me sponsoring anything other than my own stuff. I'm not paid by SABRE. I bought this using my AdSense revenue, okay? So you guys actually paid for this. So this is a new type of channel that puts the viewers first. See you on the next one. Jordan Cherub signing off.